Welcome back to the shop. It's a really quick video today. In my last antenna production, I was complaining of the hardship of removing or de-braiding coax cable, and I got two good suggestions in the comments under that video, and those both said to try and make a small, let's see if I can zoom you in here a little bit, try and explain what I'm talking about. Try to make a little opening in the braid and just fish the center conductor with the insulation on out through one side, and that could potentially save me a lot of work. So I will give it a try, and you get to watch. I have no idea what's the best way of doing it, but I'm assuming just loosening the braid in this way is a good start, and then just seeing if it's possible to make an opening where we can get the center conductor and dielectric out through the side. This should actually be quite possible. Let's see. I need to get that opening further in towards the end of the here we go. And are you seeing this? Yeah, I think you are. Let's see if it's possible to get that thing out of that opening. That would entail... Okay, this is not an instructional video in any capacity. This is the first time I'm doing this, and I'm probably not doing it in the smartest possible way, but it seems that this could be doable. In fact, let's see. A little bit more force. There is a thing called the minimum bend radius of a coax, but I'm guessing that's mostly for the entire coax with shield and everything. I don't really think the center conductor is gonna be damaged by doing this. At least I hope not. And we look at that. I'm getting it through. At least I think I am. Let's see. I think the key here is to make sure to keep the braid loose. If you pull on it, because that's a natural thing to do if you want to keep it, hold it back and pull the center conductor through, it's just going to tighten up and grip it harder. So I think what I need to do is just make sure to keep it like that. And what do you know? That would have taken me 10 minutes with the other way of doing it. Most excellent. So I can't remember your YouTube usernames, but I will be sure to put them in the comments. Thank you so much for the comments and the suggestions. This is clearly the way to go when you want to de-braid the coax. That's it for today, in fact. So thank you so much for watching. And if you want to see me make other antennas and make a fool of myself with bad practices dealing with coax and other things, please consider subscribing. If you learned something today, or if you think this is a good idea, you might want to hit the like button. And other than that, I will see you next time. 7-3.